Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to set perimeter protection on NVRs. Stay with us. Based on the perimeter protection function, it triggers an alarm only when there is a human, vehicle or bike movement, which can save users from the hassle of unwanted alarms. Take Area Intrusion as an example. We will introduce on setting up perimeter protection on NVRs. Select the corresponding camera to enable the Area Intrusion function. Click on the settings icon to access the settings page. Choose the detection targets, human, car, and bike. If you don't see these options, it means your camera doesn't support this feature. Draw a size filtering box. When an object enters the alert area and the target size is within the range of the maximum and minimum size filtering boxes, it can be recognized as a target, otherwise it is not considered a target. This can improve the accuracy of detection. Set the sensitivity, which indicates the degree to which a target enters the defense area. The value is calculated by dividing the target's area by the area of the target, which must be greater than 100 minus the sensitivity value divided by 100. The higher the sensitivity setting, the easier it is to trigger an alarm. Set the target validity, which indicates the level of similarity of the detected targets. A lower level increases the detection rate but also the likelihood of false alarms. Conversely, a higher level reduces false alarms but may bring the risk of missed alarms due to a higher threshold. Set alarm linkage, trigger process. Set. For example, set alarm videos. We have the default linkage with video playback channels and screenshots, and can also be linked with other actions, such as lighting, etc. Alarm recordings can be found by searching through Backup and Analysis, Retrieval, PP, Area Intrusion Human, Vehicle or Bike. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.